Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can switch to night mode on your Telegram X account. Before that, remember to support the channel, like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Now let's get started. First, open Telegram X app on your phone. On the top left corner you can see the 3 bars icon. Tap on it. Then at the bottom of the list you can see night mode. You can simply enable it. If you want to change the color theme, you can go to settings. Scroll down until you see themes and chats, tap on it, and then you can see the color theme where you can choose from any of the given numbers. If you want to enable night mode and still want color options, there are only 2 color options available, night blue and night black. If you tap on any of the other colors, light mode will be enabled on its own. So you can switch from night blue to night black if you want the dark mode. If you want the light mode, then you can pick from any of these colors. But night mode is easier on the eyes and the default color for night mode is night blue. So we simply proceed with that, and that's it guys. I hope this helped. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.